In this video, we're going to explore how to grade assignments in your CCCOnline course in D2L. So the first step to successfully grading assignments is understanding how the grading for your course as a whole and how the grading for individual assignments works. You can learn this by going to your Content tool and visiting your Start Here module, which has your course syllabus in it. And there are two important pages here for you. The first one is Grading and Participation, or as it's sometimes called, Grading and Evaluation. If you click on this page, it will show you a list of all of the gradable assignments in your course and their point values, and the total number of points available in the course. So this will actually exactly match what you see in the Grades tool in D2L. Now the second page that's helpful is the course rubrics page. So if your course uses rubrics, you'll find them listed here. And most courses at CCCOnline, at the very least, have a discussion rubric that's available. And this gives you all of the criteria, levels, and point values for those criteria and levels, which you can use as guidance for grading your assignments. And moving forward, CCCOnline will be adding rubrics to as many courses as possible. So if your course uses rubrics, you'll find them in one of two places. They will either be in this course rubrics page in your syllabus, in the Start Here module in Content, or they'll be in the Rubrics tool in D2L, which you can access by clicking on the Tools menu and selecting Rubrics. So here you can view, here you'll see a list of all of the rubrics in your course, and you'll click on a drop-down menu and select Preview to actually see the rubric. And here you can see it's the same thing. You see the criteria listed, the levels, and the point values for each of those criteria and levels. And I can close this by Xing out this box. So it's important to note that if your course uses rubrics, they'll either be in one place or the other. They'll either be in this rubrics tool in D2L, or they'll be on the rubrics page in the Start Here module in your syllabus. So the difference between having rubrics in one of these two places is that if you have rubrics on the rubrics page, you'll simply look at the page and view the rubrics here as guidance when you're giving your students their final grades in the assignments. If they're in the tool itself, however, you can actually use the rubrics in the tool to do your grading and mark the levels and criteria that you've given a student, and the students will be able to see which levels and criteria they achieved on each assignment. So we're going to jump into grading here and explore how to grade different types of assignments, and we'll look at how to use these rubrics if they are available to you in the Rubrics tool. So to grade assignments in D2L, you'll go to the Grades tool. You can get there by clicking on Grades in the toolbar here. And to give students grades for their assignments, you'll need to visit the Enter Grades tab. Now we explore how to set up the gradebook in a different video to learn how to use the Setup Wizard and the Settings menu here to ensure that your gradebook is ready for grading. In the Enter Grades view, you'll see a row for each student in your course, and you'll see a column for each individual gradable assignment in the course. You can also see that those gradable assignments are organized by the course's modules. And within each module, you'll see a little subtotal column that will total up the grading and the student's scores for each of those assignments in that module. And then finally, at the very end of the Enter Grades view, you'll see the final calculated grade. Or if you're using adjusted grades for your course, you'll see the final adjusted grade here.